America Papa in the Philippines, Chef Bergman, making Italian spaghetti today with ground pork, and I'm making my Italian meatballs, and which has basil, onions, garlic, breadcrumbs, egg, salt and pepper, celery salt, and onion, not celery salt, celery powder, and onion powder, and 1 egg if I didn't say that. So I'll show you when I roll them up and how I roll them up in a minute. Stay tuned. Okay, I added 1 more egg, so this is a ½ kilo of pork, and I used 2 eggs that I beat. And one other ingredient I forgot to tell you about is Worcestershire or Worcestershire, whatever. What's this here sauce? Worcestershire, Worcestershire, I don't know, whatever it's called. But that's added in there also. So I'm going to roll these into balls, fry them in the pan. Over here is the beginning of my spaghetti sauce. World famous Brian Bergman spaghetti sauce. I have videos on it. So that's where I'm at right now. Stand by. Alright, so this is a ½ kilo, and these are about 1 inch, about 1 inch in size. And I'm going to put them and start frying them in the pan. And this is where we're at so far. Looking good. It's going to be my spaghetti meat sauce, or as Italians call it, gravy. I got a little over half in there right now. And for my spaghetti sauce, I use a bunch of seasonings you've seen in other videos, and tomato sauce and butter. Okay, like I showed you earlier, this is the ones that are done. And here's my meat without the sauce yet. And you can see that chunk of butter. That's kind of my secret. Learned that from a famous chef, Anthony Bourdain. May he rest in peace. And right here is my broth with Italian seasonings in it. That goes in my sauce later. Okay, I got my tester here. You can see it, perfectly done. Good taste, nice garlicky taste. Here's my sauce simmering. But reduce that down a little bit, thicken it up. Today I'll be using angel hair pasta for it. Just so you know, this is a tomato sauce I use. Now in the Philippines there's 2 kinds. There's this, and then there's Filipino style. So if you're wanting Italian flavor, don't use the Filipino style, because the Filipino style is more like when we growing up in America, the can of like SpaghettiOs, it kind of tastes like that, sweeter. So use just original tomato sauce or paste with water. Alright, finished product, spaghetti with Italian meatballs, Italian style spaghetti sauce. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell.